Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? Thank you for joining me again for another video. I'm Jojo Fine 01 and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you to my old and new subscriber. Guys, I'm just going to arrange myself because we are about to talk. So I'm going to be talking about like some of my top high-end. These are high-end, not affordable, I'm sorry. If you're on a budget, but you can save for this foundation as much as possible to come and do an affordable version of this foundation. I post a short of this video on my YouTube channel. If you've not seen it, I will link it up here if I can. But I just wanted to come here to talk about the foundation instead of just doing short. I like to sit down to talk about these foundations, talk about the product so that you can understand it better. So I'm talking about my top foundations for the summer, like SPF product. If you don't want to use SPF cream, you can see I also advise you use SPF cream before applying this product, or you cannot if you don't want to. You understand, you don't have to, but this foundation has SPF, which is sunscreen on the foundation, and this foundation does not give you flashback because some people are scared of using foundation with SPF because of the flashback and all that, but it doesn't give you flashback and they are very beautiful on the skin. So I just want to do this video to explain to someone out there who is looking at getting a foundation with SPF or looking to get an high-end foundation for your foundation range. And if you also have this foundation, leave me a comment at the comment section and tell me your thoughts on some of this foundation I'm about to mention. The first foundation I'm going to talk about is the LACOM Teint Idole. If you are, come closer, if you've been with me for a long time, you know, like, this is an OG of mine. Like, this is an OG foundation, like an OG, the LACOM Teint Idole. I'm in the shade 10. I'll leave the foundation name and the shades on the video for you guys to see. So this foundation and the price of the foundation, like I said, it's a no affordable foundation, it's a high-end foundation. This foundation has SPF of 15, really good, flawless on the skin. I'll leave the review of all this foundation if I have one. I'll be popping it on as you're watching if you want to watch the full review of this foundation. I'm just here to tell you if they have SPF, if you don't know. So LACOM has a SPF. If you have this foundation, you know. I don't have to talk again, I beg. Let's forget it. So the second foundation I'm going to talk about, I'm just naming all this foundation, no like particular order, but yeah, this is the L'Oreal Mercier. This is the L'Oreal Mercier Tint Moisturizing Oil Free Foundation, and I'm using the shade WALNUT on this foundation. I vary a bit on, I change between the shades and another shade for this foundation. It doesn't really matter, but it works for me. And this foundation has SPF of 20 on this foundation. SPF of 20. This foundation is very lightweight and is good for the skin. It gives you a skin finish look. I'll leave a video right here of me using this foundation. I think I have it. I think it's a short, but I'll leave it right here. Okay guys, the next foundation is the MAC. Yeah, the MAC Studio Fix Fluid has SPF. If you don't know, it's like some people don't know. So the MAC foundation has SPF of 15 in it. This foundation is very good, but to me it's not long wearing. So let me just show you guys the MAC foundation. And they have variety of shades on this foundation. The shade is really nice, like the shade range of this foundation is really nice. And I use the shade NC50. The shade range on this, let me just come to the L'Oreal Mercier, it's not so nice, but you can definitely walk around with the shade range of this foundation. The LACOM does not need any introduction. There's a lot of shade in this foundation. So this foundation is really nice, so you can check it out. If you have it, you know what I'm talking about. So the next foundation I'm going to talk about is the Shiseido. If I'm pronouncing this well, clap for me. And it looks like this. This foundation is beautiful on the skin and very lightweight. This foundation is beautiful on the skin. It has SPF of 30, SPF of 30. This foundation is beautiful on the skin, very beautiful on the skin. I recommend this foundation if you've not tried it. It's really nice. If you like a lightweight foundation, this will be your go-to. This is nice. So And the next foundation I'm going to talk about it doesn't need any introduction because it's a lot of people's favorite foundation. If I don't mention this foundation, I think a lot of people will come for me. I'm just saying, I think they will come for me. Double Wear foundation. Yeah. So if you don't know, this has SPF of 10. 10. It's a bit low, but it has SPF. And this foundation is 24 hours. This foundation is very long wearing, very, very long wearing. Like if I'm going to go and gbedu, you understand? If I'm going to the the gbedu of life, I will go with this foundation. This foundation, I rocked this foundation when I was in Nigeria. And the LACOM foundation, I was going between these two foundations because they are very, very long wearing and very nice, and they have SPF and they protect my skin from the sun, So this foundation is really nice and it has SPF of 10 in the Double Wear foundation. It doesn't need any introduction. It's good. So I'm going to talk about the YSL or Hours foundation. This foundation is beautiful. This is a very beautiful high-end foundation. I'll leave the link of me using it up here. This foundation is beautiful. It's also long wearing and it has SPF. I think it has SPF of 15 because it's not written here. I'll leave it on the video. I'll leave it because I did the research. It has SPF. This foundation is also good. If you've not tried it, get it. It's good. Yeah, the All Hours by YSL. So the last foundation I'm going to talk about, there are a lot of foundation that has SPF. This is just the one I'm just speaking. This is just the one that I've been using that I like. You understand? Don't come for me saying, you did not mention it, did not mention it. Leave all the ones that you know at the comment section. And if you have some affordable ones that has SPF, please leave it at the comment section. And I might come back and do a part 2 of this for the affordable range. If I will do my study, I will study it and come back. If you want to see that video, give this video a thumbs up and write at the comment section affordable one, please. You understand? Okay. This one I'm going to talk about is by Este Lauder. Este Lauder be coming out with SPF. Like seriously, Este Lauder, come on. Tint moisturizer by Este Lauder, and it looks like this. This is not so common because anyway, it's not really focusing on this. I don't know why. Anyway, it looks like this, and this is the highest SPF foundation, tinted moisturizer, whatever that I have in my drawer. This is the highest. This has SPF of 45. This has the SPF of 45 and it's really good. It's like skin finish. Give you a very lightweight. It's like that day when you are doing no makeup look. It's very beautiful on the skin. And I wear the shade Sandalwood. I also wear the shade Sandalwood on the Este Lauder Double Wear. So I think I'm in the shade Sandalwood in Este Lauder range. Yeah, if you know, you know. So that is all I'm going to talk about today. And like I said, if you like this type of video, tell me at the comment section. We are going to do more of this. You understand? So I will see you guys on my next one. If you want to see the makeup tutorial of this look, I will link it up here. If that comes out before this or after this, I'm going to link it. This is an affordable bit. I know I'm talking about high-end foundation, but this face is affordable bits. So this is an affordable bits makeup. So check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Remember what I always say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Bye, guys.